Everyone, welcome to Swiflearn, India's most sincere learning destination for class 1 to 10. In Swiflearn, we have 100% live and interactive classes. Personalized attention will be given to each and every student where the maximum batch size is 6 students. A dedicated academic mentor will be allotted to track and work on your progress. We also cover syllabus as per your school examination schedule, and also we handle custom requests. Our key features is we provide you with a detailed progress report card on monthly basis. Students can take Swift Learn academic test series, a scholarship exam conducted every Sunday from 9 a.m. to 9 p.m. Students can take unlimited practice tests, and all the practice tests are subjective as well as objective in nature. So students, those are new, book a free trial class today. Also, don't forget to subscribe our channel, hit the bell icon so that you will never miss any update. I'm Shashank sir, and today I'll be teaching you the second part of the topic trigonometric identities. Yes, the objectives of today's classes, we are going to discuss about the trigonometric identities, proof of the identities which we quote today, questions based on trigonometric identities. So all these things we'll be learning today. So good morning everyone. I would like to know the names, those who are seeing this stream. Okay, so do you know you can measure the moon radius with the help of trigonometry? You may ask me, sir, kaise karte hai? Okay, this is not the accurate method, but yes, you can definitely get a rough estimate about this. Let's understand trigonometry, how it helps us to measuring the radius of a moon. Now, let's take a point on Earth. Okay, now see this diagram. This is a moon. Okay, so I am representing a right angle triangle. The angle, this angle is 0.25 degrees. Now, we know this is the radius r, this is the radius r, and with some other technologies we know the distance between the earth and moon is about 3,84,403 kilometers. So this is 3,84,403 kilometers plus the radius. So this is the base of the triangle, r is the perpendicular distance of the triangle. So tan 0.25 is equal to r plus r by this. Sir, क्या sir ये इतना complex है, डरा रहे हो? Okay, don't worry about this. This is just an example. Okay, this types of questions won't be there. Just to understand. Okay. Yes, I'm good. I'm glad you asked. Vani, what about your school? आज school नहीं है? अच्छा, your school is going to start at 11:30, right? Okay. Solve the above equation to get the value of r. We know the value of tan 0.25 something, and only the unknown is r. Solve this, you get the radius of the moon. Sir, ये कैसे and all? This is not for your syllabus, okay? So Avani, yes. So many happy returns of the day. Okay, it's your birthday. God bless you with all the bright future and everything. Okay, so let's continue with the topic trigonometric identities. What is trigonometric identities? An equation involving trigonometric ratios of angles is called as trigonometric identities. Okay, whatever be the measure of angle A, this all three equations will hold good for all the angles. Sine square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Okay, so sec square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. Cosec square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. All the three trigonometric identities hold good for any values of A. Yes. Now, let's derive this. Let's prove them they are right. Okay, मान तो लिया, कैसे? How do we trust? Okay, so consider a right angle triangle, right angled at A, at B. We have by the Pythagoras theorem a square ab square plus bc square is equal to ac square, right? Yes. Now divide the terms. Okay, divide all this. Okay, ab square plus bc square is equal to ac square. Divide this by ac square. Okay, so ab square by ac square, bc square by ac square is equal to ac square by ac square. AC square by AC square, these are the same quantity, so this is 1. Okay, now how much is AB by AC? So this is the angle A. So AB is the adjacent side or the base. It is base by hypotenuse is cos square. Cos, so whole square is whole square. Cos square A plus sine square. This is sine. Perpendicular by hypotenuse is sine. So whole square is equal to 1. Now this will give us sine square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. The first identity is proved. Now the second identity क्या करना है? In the right angle this. Now divide by AB. Okay, so AB by AB is 1. BC by AB you get tan. So 1 plus tan square, and AC by AB. We know AB by AC is cos. The inverse is sec. So we get sec square A. So 1 plus tan square A is sec square A. I want to take tan this side. So transpose of that, we get sec square A minus tan square A is equal to 1. Okay. Similarly, divide by BC square, do the same thing. You get cot square A plus 1 is equal to cosec square A. Okay, now rewrite this equation. We get cosec square A minus cot square A is equal to 1. Okay, some other trigonometric identities is cos A is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 minus sine square A. So ये equation कैसे आया? We know that sine square A plus cos square A is equal to 1, right? Sine square A plus cos square A is equal to 1. Now how much is cos square A? 1 minus sine square. Cos A is equal to plus or minus square root of 1 minus sine square A. This is the answer. This is the expression. Yes. So let us explore some more trigonometrical identities. Sec A is opposite of cos A. So sec A is equal to 1 by cos A. Just now we derived cos A is equal to square root of 1 minus sine square A. So substitute here, you get this. Okay. Similarly, tan A is equal to sine A by cos A. Substitute sine A, cos A as square root of 1 minus sine square A. You get this. Now let's practice some problems. Okay, let us solve this problem. What have they asked? Prove that sec A into 1 minus sine A into sec A plus tan A is equal to 1. Okay, now see this. Convert wherever sec is there, tan is there, convert into sine and cos. So sec A is 1 by cos A, 1 minus sine A. Okay, 1 by cos A plus sine A by cos A. Okay, now the LCM of this is cos A. So we have 1 minus sine A divided by this cos A I'm writing here. Okay, and this is 1 plus sine A divided by cos A. Okay, यही equation we get this. Now A minus B into A plus B is what? Is A square minus B square, and A into A is A square. So we get 1 minus sine square A divided by cos square A. We know that cos square A plus sine square A is equal to 1. So 1 minus sine square A is equal to what? Okay. So Sunil Kumar, yes. आपका नाम लेना है. Okay. Sunil, you need to answer few questions. Then I will take your name. Okay. कोई बात नहीं. Sunil Kumar. Okay. Thank you for being part of this wonderful session. So 1 minus sine square A is cos square A. So cos square A by cos square A is equal to 1. This is the answer. Got this? Yes, this is how we solve. The same steps they have used. Okay, so is equal to RHS and LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. Okay, ये लिखना जरूरी है. Prove the identity. Okay, tan A plus cot A is equal to sec A minus cosec A. Okay, now see this, how to do this. Convert sine and cot. Okay, in cos and sine. Okay, sine A by cos A plus cos A by sine A. Now take the LCM, this will become sine square A plus cos square A divided by sine A cos A. Okay, or cos A sine A, the same thing. Now sine square A plus cos square A is 1. So 1 by cos A, okay, into sine A. This should be sine A. Okay. Now take the inverse. How much is 1 by cos? 1 by cos is sec A. 1 by sine is cosec A, which is equal to RHS. Hence, it is proved. Okay. Prove that. Okay, this is a very important problem. Sine A plus cos A whole square, this square is equal to this. LHS. From LHS, A plus B whole square, we have A square, okay, plus cosec A whole square plus 2 sine A into cosec A. Cosec A is nothing but 1 by sine A. So sine A cancel. We only have to plus the same thing. Cos square A plus sec square A plus 2 cos A sec A. Okay. Now sine A into cosec A. How much is that? Sine A into cosec A is 1. This and this get cancelled. This and this get cancelled. So sine square plus cos square is equal to 1. So 1 plus 2 plus 2 is 5 plus cosec square A plus sec square A. We know that cosec square A is what? Cosec square A is 1 plus cot square A. Sec square A is 1 plus tan square A. Now this one plus this one and add 5, we get 7 plus tan square A plus cot square A. There are so many methods to do this, you still will get the same answer. Okay, मेथड अलग अलग हो सकते हैं बट आंसर अल्टीमेटली लास्ट में सेम होगा, which is equal to RHS, hence proved. Yes. Now this is also very important problem because it is a little bit different. This is an important problem. Okay, so prove that sine A is equal to sine A minus cos A plus 1 divided by sine A plus cos A minus 1 is equal to this. Yes, TM Vlogs, good morning. How are you today? So, क्या है सर ये इम्पोर्टेंट क्यों है? क्योंकि इसको करने का तरीका अलग है. ओके, सो क्या तरीका है सर? Okay, write the LHS and divide the numerator and denominator by cos A. Okay, so sin A by cos A is tan A. Since it is in second tan, convert this cos and sin in second tan. Minus cos A by cos A is 1 plus 1 by cos A. 1 by cos A is sec A divided by this. Okay, divide the denominator also by cos A, you get this thing. Now take the rationalize this, like the denominator, okay, 1 plus tan square, 1 minus tan square. Okay, multiply the numerator and denominator by tan A minus sec A. Yes, so this is at the new, like rewriting this, we get tan A plus sec A minus 1, tan A minus sec A plus 1. Now multiply by the opposite sign, tan A minus sec A, tan A plus sec A. Okay, अब कुछ नहीं, सिर्फ multiply by tan A minus sec A divided by tan A. When you multiply and divide, you still it is 1, you get the same thing, so no change will be there in the equation. Now tan A minus sec A, okay, into tan A minus sec A is okay, we will leave this as it is, like this whole thing into this whole thing. Now see at the top, tan A plus sec A into tan A minus sec A. This should be tan square A minus sec square A. Yes, Tanisha. Yes, good to know your name is Tanisha. Tan square. Tanisha, so in which standard are you studying in? I'd like to know in which standard you are studying. So tan square A minus sec square A. Okay, and minus 1 into this is minus the whole thing, right? Yes. How much is tan square A plus sec square A? Tan square A minus tan sec square A. We know 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square A. यहाँ पे tan square A minus sec square A. Tan square A minus sec square A is equal to, ये plus 1 है, यहाँ पे जाएगा तो minus 1. So this whole thing is minus 1, right? So minus 1 minus tan A plus sec A, okay, divided by tan A minus sec A minus 1. Now take minus common, minus 1 common. So you will have the same thing at the numerator. Cancel that and that. You are left with minus 1 divided by tan A minus sec A. Now simplify this. Take minus common on the numerators and denominators. We have minus 1 divided by minus sec A minus tan A. Minus minus cancels. We have 1 by sec A minus tan A, which is equal to RHS. Hence, this is proved. Okay. Yes. Next question. Cosec square A minus cot square A. Okay. Is equal to 1 minus cos A into 1 plus cos A. See this. How this can be done. Okay. So cosec square A can be written as what? Cosec square A can be written as 1 by sine A minus cot A is cos by sine. Now whole square of this, so we have 1 minus cos A whole square divided by sine square A. Got this? Now the next step is I can write sine square as 1 minus cos square. So देखो 1 minus cos A whole square I am writing as 1 minus cos A into 1 minus cos A. A square can be written as A into A. Sine square is nothing but 1 minus cos square A. This A square minus B square is nothing but A minus B into A plus B. Okay, so this and this is cancelled. So we are left with 1 minus cos A divided by 1 plus cos A. This is the answer. This is how we do this. Okay, which is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Yes, prove that cos A divided by 1 plus sine A. Okay, plus 1 plus sine A divided by cos A is equal to 2 sec A. How to do this? Okay, now guys, take the LCM of this. Okay, you will get the answer. Okay, so the LCM is 1 plus sine A into cos A. So this becomes cos square A plus 1 plus sine A whole square divided by 1 plus sine A into cos A. Okay, or the other way is cos A. This is 1 minus 1 plus sine A, right? Multiply this with 1 minus sine A, 1 minus sine A, okay, plus 1 plus sine A by cos A, cos A and divided by cos A. See, lot of methods are there. There is no particular method to do. You can use many strategies to solve the same problem. Okay, A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. 1 minus sine square A is cos square A. So cos into 1 is cos A minus cos A sine A divided by cos square A plus 1 into cos A is cos A plus sine A cos A, or cos A sine A, the same thing. A into B is B into A. Yes? Okay. Plus cos A sine A divided by cos square A. So both the denominators are same. So I have taken the common denominator. This and this gets cancelled. We have 2 cos A. 2 cos A divided by cos square A. The square and cos A cancels. So 2 by cos A, which is equal to 2 sec A, which is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Okay, this is how we prove this identity. Okay, prove that 1 minus cos A divided by 1 plus sec A is equal to tan A sin A. Okay, I was checking this. Okay, the question is wrong. I'll give you the right question. Prove that 1 minus cos A into 1 plus sec A is equal to tan A sin A. Yes, I've checked this. This problem is wrong. This is the right problem. Okay, now 1 minus cos A. 1 plus sec A is what? 1 plus 1 by cos A, right? This is LHS. Now take the LCM, you get 1 minus cos A into 1 plus cos A divided by cos A. So A minus B into A plus B is A square minus B square. 1 cos square divided by cos A. 1 minus cos square is what? Is equal to sine square. Okay, so sine square A divided by cos A. Okay, let's take sine square as sine A into sine A divided by cos A. Sine A by cos A is tan A. So tan A into sine A, which is equal to RHS, hence proof. Okay? Yes. Okay. So let's answer a few multiple choice questions. 9 times sec square A minus 9 times tan square A is equal to what? First of all, I'm going to take 9 common. We have sec square A minus tan square A. We know that sec square A minus tan square A is 1. So 9 into 1 is 9. So answer is 9. Is this the answer? Yes, the answer is 9. Okay. So 1 plus tan A plus sec A, okay, into 1 plus cot A minus cosec A. Okay, so what we can do is we can substitute any known values, get the answer. Okay, cheating कर सकते हैं ऐसा नहीं सर, तो cheating नहीं करना है. Okay, then what you can do is simplify this. 1 plus sin A by cos A plus 1 by cos A. Okay, so the LCM is cos A. यहाँ पे क्या आएगा? 1 plus cos A by sin A minus 1 by sin A. Okay, so the LCM here is cos A. So cos A plus sin A plus 1 divided by cos A into sin A plus, okay, into cos A plus sin A minus 1 divided by sin A. Now, okay, so this is into, simplify this, multiply this one term, one term, or you can take this term as A, this term as B. So A plus B into A minus B, A square minus B square. Okay, so what do we have? What do we have? cos A plus sin A whole square, not cos square A plus sin square A whole square, minus 1 square is 1 divided by cos A sin A. Simplify this, we get cos square A plus sin square A plus 2 cos A sin A minus 1 divided by cos A sin A. Cos square A plus sin square A, this whole thing is 1. So 1 minus 1 is 0. 2 cos A sin A divided by cos A sin A, ye cancel. We are left with 2. So 2 is the answer. Do we have 2? Yes, that is the answer, guys. 2 is the answer. Sec A plus tan A into 1 minus sin A. How to solve this? Okay, so simplify this in sin cos. Okay, that is the easier approach to do this, and see what will be left. 1 by cos A plus sin A divided by cos A into 1 minus sin A. Okay, the denominator यहाँ पे into है, so it is 1 minus 1 plus sin A divided by cos A into 1 minus sin A. A plus B into A minus B is A square minus B square. Okay, and cos A as it is. 1 minus sin square A is cos square A. Cos square A by cos A is nothing but cos A. Cos A is the right answer. Yes? Yes, correct. 1 plus tan square plus 1 plus cot square A is equal to what? Okay, so what you can do is simplify, like tan से भी कर सकते हैं, but the best way is simplify it in sin and cos. Okay, or let's do it in tan. I think so it will be easy. Okay, let's give it a try. Okay, 1 plus tan square A divided by cot. Cot I will write as 1 plus 1 by tan square A. Now take the LCM, you will get 1 plus tan square A divided by tan square A plus 1 by tan square A. Now rewrite this again, you will have tan square A into 1 plus tan square A. Yeah, tan square A plus 1. A plus B is same as B plus A. 1 plus tan square A. This and this is cancelled. We are left with tan square A. Tan square A is the right answer. Yes, this is the right answer. Okay, you can read this fun fact. Okay, so guys, what did we learn today? Today we learned about the trigonometric identities, the proof of identities, like we prove that this is equal to this, LHS is equal to RHS, hence proved. All ऐसे वाले problems किए हैं. We solved questions based on trigonometric identities. We learned some proofs. Okay, the three main proofs which we learned is cos square A plus sin square A is equal to 1. 1 plus tan square A is equal to sec square. 1 plus cot square is equal to cosec square. And few more things we have learned which we may use in the next class. Now let us solve some extra time problems. Okay, if angle A and B are acute angles such that cos A is equal to cos B. Okay, show that angle A is equal to angle B. Okay, how will you show this? Okay, now see this. Okay, so in a right angle triangle, okay, right angled at C, okay, so it is like this. This is angle A, this is angle C, this is angle B. They have given A and B are acute angles, so that's why I have taken A and B are acute angles. 90 is not an acute angle. Cos A is equal to cos B. Okay, So cos value of some angle is equal to cos value of angle some other angle. What does this imply? This implies AC is equal to BC. Okay, let me prove this. What is cos B equal to? Cos of angle B is equal to base BC by AB. What is cos A equal to? Okay, so cos A is equal to AC by AB. They have said cos A is equal to cos B. This implies AC by AB is equal to BC by AB. AB cancels. We have AC is equal to BC. Okay, if the two lengths are equal in a triangle, which triangle is it? It is a isosceles triangle. So isosceles triangle, if sides are equal, the angles are also equal. This implies angle A is equal to angle. Got this? This is how you solve this. Okay, yes. Consider the right angle triangle, right angled at C. अरे यहाँ तो कुछ अलग ही दिया है. Consider a triangle ABC. Okay, right angled at C. Not possible. Okay, AB is 29. अच्छा, तो उनके तरफ से गड़बड़ हो गया है. So this is C. This is B. Okay, AB is 29. BC is 21 units. Okay, and angle ABC is equal to, I have not given the angle, I want the angle. Determine the value of cos square theta plus sin square theta. This is 1. Okay, this always will be 1, but they have not mentioned the angle. They should give the angle. Okay, consider this as a right angle triangle, right angle at C, angle. This is this, this is this. Okay. Okay, angle is not required. Don't worry, without angle also we can solve using the Pythagoras theorem. Okay, so the hypotenuse square 29 square is equal to sum of the other two sides 21 square plus AC square. AC square is equal to 29 square minus 21 square. Okay, so 29 A square minus B square, A plus B, which is 50, into A minus B, which is 8. AC square. AC is equal to square root of this. 50 can be written as 25 into 2. So 5 square into 2. 8 can be written as 2 cube. So this is nothing but 5 square into 2 square into 2 square, which is 5 into 2 into 2. So AC is 20. Got this? Now find sine square theta plus cos square theta. Okay, now what I guess is they wanted to say angle ABC is equal to theta. They forgot to mention this as theta. Okay, typing mistake हो गया है. So find sine square theta plus cos square theta. We know that from the identity sine square theta plus cos square theta is 1. Still also sine square theta is equal to perpendicular by hypotenuse 20 by 29. Cos square theta is equal to what? Base by hypotenuse 21 by 29. Okay, sorry, I mean to say sine theta, not sine square theta, sine theta, guys. Sine theta is 20 by 29, cos theta is 21 by 29. Find cos square theta plus sine square theta. Okay, let's do this. Let's find this cos square theta plus sine square theta. ये डायग्राम का जरूरत नहीं है अभी. Cos square theta plus sine square theta. Cos square theta is 21 square by 29 square plus sine square theta 20 square by 29 square. Okay, 21 square How much is 21 square? 21 into 21. Karo. So 400. Okay, 2 2s are 4, 2 2s are 4, 441. Okay, 441 plus 400 divided by 29 square, 29. I'm going to use the trick of Vedic maths. So 2 square, duplex of 2 is 4, 2 nines are 18, 18 twos are 36, 9 nines are 81. So 1, 4 and 8. So 841. So square of 29 is 841. Sir, आपने कैसे किया? Well, I have used the trick of Vedic maths. So you can book a free trial class on Vedic maths. So we will teach you all the tricks there. Yes, you will learn a lot of things in the trial class of Vedic maths. So book a free trial class today. www.swiflearn.com पे जाओ. Click on book a free trial class and a free trial class will be arranged. So we have 841 by 841 which is equal to 1. Got this? Yes. Now the next thing is how much is cos square minus sin square? ये minus करना है. So 441 minus 400 is 41 by 841. This is the answer. Okay. Yes. So we have solved it, right? So this is a homework for you guys. Solve this as a homework. 1 by 1 plus cos A, 1 by 1 minus cos A is equal to 2 cos square A. So kar de, like still time is there. Let's do this quickly. I'll do this quickly, guys. See how this can be done. So take the LCM. Now LCM is 1 minus cos A into 1 plus cos A. So 1 minus cos A plus 1 plus cos A divided by 1 minus cos square A plus B into A minus B. Okay, this is equal to sine square A, and add this, remove the brackets. So minus cos A plus cos A get cancelled. We have 2. So 2 by sine square A is 2 cosec square A. This is the answer. LHS is equal to RHS, hence it is true. That's all for today's class then, guys. Bye bye. Have a nice day, everyone. Students, those on new, please subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon. Soon we will be teaching CBSE syllabus also. Okay, so stay tuned for that, guys.